I bet you didn't know that a tiny recognized state in the Horn of Africa guards a major global highway. I bet you didn't know that Somaliland's Berbera port sits on the route between Asia and Europe, right by the Bab el-Mandeb choke point. I bet you didn't know that location turns local politics into international strategic chess. Somaliland declared a restoration of independence in 1991, but geography does the talking. Berbera faces the Gulf of Aden and provides a fast route to the Suez Canal, the shortcut for goods between Europe and Asia. Control a port here, and you influence fuel shipments, container traffic, and naval access to the Red Sea. That draws interest from regional powers, global navies, and trade-dependent economies. Add a relatively stable local government and plans to expand the port, and you've got rising strategic value, economically and militarily. In short, small territory, huge leverage, thanks to its coastline and a world-class shipping address.